Alright, and we're back for another strong wind challenge, landing challenge in Microsoft Flight Simulator.
It's on Microsoft.
Did I say sauce? Oh, that's even better.
Microsoft.
Alright, we are doing the Textron Aviation Cessna 172. This is a very difficult landing, super short runway, pretty much 180-degree turnaround with super strong winds trying to flip you over as you come in for a landing. Very, very short landing strip. Let's just get right into it and see how we can do here. Okay, so it has 85, 70 knots, almost a full 180. Gonna have to full flaps it to be able to fly at that low speed with the wind pushing me everywhere. Landing gear's already deployed. It's hard. It's not retractable, so don't have to worry about that. It'll probably start us out with 10% flaps.
Wait, emergency snack.
Yes, we have 10% flaps already set. So we're gonna go ahead and do one more set of flaps here shortly whenever we get in here. We are gonna want to land at 60 knots when we come in here, so that's gonna be our target goal. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come up now. I can kind of dive my nose straight down at that, get a better lineup if I come in a little bit higher, but I will need almost full flaps to do that. And if I bounce at all, it's gonna make me skip right over the runway. So we're gonna do our best. All right, setting more flaps. It's gonna start slowing us down even with our current throttle position. All right, so now I know where our runway is. We're gonna curve right over and drop right down across this and hope and pray that we don't die. It's very sketchy.
500.
Here we go, people. Coming in, hard bank left. Ooh, wind is getting me. Wind is getting me. All right, people. Ooh, 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 ooh. Touch her down. Come on, baby. Set it down, set it down, set it down, set it down, set it down. Whoa, peeps, peeps, peeps. Woo, woo, that strong wind challenge is a nutty one. Oh, goodness. Not the best score, but we lived and we didn't die or break the plane. So I think that's a success. What do you say, Nikolai? Success?
Emergency snack.
Okay. Good to know.
Success and emergency snack.
Okay.
Emergency snack.
And we'll see you on the next one. Pray that we don't die.